This is Chris from Munch, and welcome to Fast Food Fight, the show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like the retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine spicy jalapeno, oozy cheese, wrapped in juicy corn, and coated in a light crumb. Tad on the small size, and it didn't come with any sauce. Good thing I ordered my creamy garlic cup to go with it. And yeah, they're a bit bland, and for $5.95 for 6, I mean, they're not cheap. While you're here, why don't you smash the button and jingle me bell? Thanks! So I'm using Havarti cheese, jalapenos and Edgell corn kernels. Chuck them in a bowl, roll them up into balls. Should end up with a few more than 6. Prepare your batter, prepare your crumb. Dunk your balls in the batter. Then roll it in the crumb. Garlic and mayo. Chuck them in a fry pan. I'm serving mine with sweet and sour sauce and garlic mayo. And there you go. Stretchy. Not bad for $3.50. This has been Chris from Munch, and I'll see you next Tuesday.